Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to set the dosing aid on your Maytag IntelliSense or the Whirlpool 6sense washing machine. You may also actually affect some other brands as well, but generally Maytag is manufactured by Whirlpool, and they use the word IntelliSense as part of their, instead of the word 6sense really, part of their range. But it's same setup as the Whirlpool. The likelihood is that if you're watching this video, you've actually got the Whirlpool machine. It doesn't matter, it's exactly the same setting and setup. Right, here's the thing with the dosing aid. You can either set it just for one detergent value for all programs, or you can actually set it for 3. Right, so you will have, if I just come up here, 3 groups. You'll have general detergent, dark detergent, which will obviously use colour here, or you can use special dark detergent, of course, in your machine. But I use colour, liquid colour for my darks, and for delicates and wool cycle. So we've got special delicate and hand wash liquid here. So what I'm going to show you is how to set the dosing aid up, show you how it works, and I'll show you how to actually set it not just for one detergent but for all 3. So, right, we'll set it up for general first. So come to the dial and switch it to any of the first 3 really. So you've got mixed, continental, synthetic. These are your general programs, as well as white and light colours, Eco Cotton, Aqua Eco and Speed 15. And Big Item, these are all your general program detergents. Your dark detergent will only be selectable on dark, and your hand wash detergent will only be selectable on delicates and woolen hand wash program. So now that we're on the cotton cycle, to set the general detergent up, we'll press the dosing aid button, and it says there detergent calibration 3 seconds. Let's press and hold 1, 2, 3. And as you can see there, we've got a set value of 110ml, which will correspond to here. Now that 110ml corresponds to this figure here. So it's for the medium soil in the medium water hardness setting. You might have medium and light soil, and then heavy, or just a general one where you might actually have an extra detergent value down here for heavy soil or for hard water, extra hard water, etc. But we want the medium soil, medium water, which we find here is 110ml. I mean, that's obviously now correct, but if you wish to change it, you've got plus and minus buttons, and you can lower, to 10ml, or go all the way up to, bear with me, oh, can I hold it up there? You can hold that. To 170ml, but we'll select 110. And when you're happy with the detergent value you got on display, press OK. And it goes back to the standard settings for the actual cycle. Right, so now we will set the detergent value for the hand wash detergent. So we'll select delicates. Again, press and hold the detergent calibration button, dosing aid button for 3 seconds. And as we've got there, it's preset to 40ml. And this has a max limit. Yeah, 170ml. It's preset already correctly to 40ml, so we won't touch that. We'll press OK. And we'll just make sure big items is general. Speed 15 is general, 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 and then you get to dark, press dosing aid, and we have a preset value for 35 millilitres, which is standard on this anyway. You're allowed up to 52 millilitres when it's heavy soil or hard water, so we'll leave that as it is. Now we'll turn off the machine. We'll just we'll select cotton. There's no laundry inside. It's on heavy soil. We'll press the dosing aid. Don't hold it. This little icon here is displayed to say you selected it. Now we'll press start. And it's come up with a detergent value of 80 millilitres. So then what you do is add the detergent and then you press start again. And it's come up with a value of 1 hour because there's no load inside, which is correct. Intelligence it's working now. Right, I just press reset. So, what we'll select now is the light soil on cottons. We'll press dosing aid and I'll show you the difference. And it's now displaying just 30 mils. Obviously there's slightly less time on it. Set the cycle. And there you go, that's the difference between heavy soil and light soil. It's implying you should put more in for the heavy soil. Now we're going to select dosing aid again, but this time we've got a full load of laundry. I'm going to put on the cotton cycle. I'm going to leave on heavy, press dosing aid, and see what detergent requirement it asks for. (160 millilitres of detergent. Now I'm just going to do a quick check on this. What I'm going to do is turn off the machine and put it on the medium soil. This is simply to see how much detergent it asks for when loading, because I don't know whether it's going to take into account this is a 10 kilo machine with a full load, or whether it's taking into account that it's on the heavy soil. Now, according to this, if I was going for heavy soil in a medium water area, it's actually suggesting here 185 mils on a standard machine. In fact, this for larger loads says for an additional 30 millilitres. Right, and this is a 10 kilo machine, so you want an extra 30 millilitres on top of that as well. If this is going by anything on this, we're doing heavy soil laundry, we're using surf with a 10 kilo load, we're going towards about 240 millilitres of detergent. So let's switch it off, let's reset it, switch it off, switch it back on. Let's let dosing aid. Now it's suggesting 90 mils. Just press start and see how long it's but it's now selected half load rather than full load. And this is just simply because of how he balances it to take the load. Sometimes it does do it slightly incorrectly. This machine is very intelligent though. Even if it takes half load at the start, and obviously suggests you put in half a bit less in because of the half load, If it then takes a full load within 10 minutes of the wash cycle, you'll resense and you'll see the time actually go back up to what it should be. So, we'll select medium again. Sometimes you've got to reset the cycle. Reset the cycle and you get correct size loads. For general on this, if you want to take it for your own account, when you're doing a full load on heavy soil should take 1 hour. 2 hours 20 on heavy soil full. You see now it's still selecting half a load. So, you've seen the dosing aid, you've seen how to set it up, you've seen how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you know how to set up the dosing aid, you need to watch the next video. And this is how to set up the water hardness that works alongside your dosing aid values. When the video is available, there will be a link down here. So let's do that next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video.